Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for your small business. First, let's get your company set up correctly. You'll want to enter your essential business information, like your company name and address, to personalize your account. Then, connect your bank accounts and credit cards. This allows QuickBooks to automatically import your transactions, saving you valuable time. Finally, customize your chart of accounts to accurately categorize all your income and expenses, providing a clear financial picture from day one. Now that your setup is complete, let's manage your money. QuickBooks makes it simple to create and send professional invoices to your customers, ensuring you get paid on time. When payments arrive, easily record them and apply them to the correct invoices. This keeps your accounts receivable up to date. Don't forget to categorize all your business expenses, from office supplies to utility bills. Accurate categorization is crucial for understanding where your money goes and for tax preparation. Beyond basic bookkeeping, QuickBooks offers powerful tools for payroll and reporting. You can process payroll for your employees with ease, handling tax calculations and direct deposits. This saves you from complex manual calculations. Generating key financial reports, such as profit and loss statements, is straightforward. These reports provide vital insights into your business's performance over various periods. Also, regularly review your balance sheets to get a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity, ensuring you understand your overall financial health. To truly maximize QuickBooks, explore its advanced features. Use project tracking to monitor the profitability of individual jobs or client projects, giving you a clear view of your most lucrative work. If you sell products, manage your inventory levels to ensure you always have enough stock and avoid overselling. Finally, consider integrating third-party apps. QuickBooks connects with hundreds of other business tools, from e-commerce platforms to CRM systems, extending its functionality and streamlining your entire operation for greater efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.